So we're just about to reach or pass through Bond Street Crossrail station, which is currently closed. This is due to delays caused by issues with the building contractors. So for now, Elizabeth Line or Crossrail does not call at Bond Street, and the station is closed, and we'll see that shortly. So if I start here, obviously the station will appear on the left to the video frame, and all the station signs will read station closed, although the platform remains lit, as is always the case with closed stations, just for health and safety reasons, in case say evacuation or anything like that. So we've left Paddington a couple of minutes ago, so it shouldn't take much longer before we reach Bond Street. So the one thing I'll say about Crossrail is the distance between stations are quite long, and that's because it makes few stops through central London. So the train is now slowing down, and we should be passing through Bond Street station momentarily. Here we go. Right, that's probably an access door, and here we go. This is the station. So the sign says station closed, opening soon, that one says. We just saw a builder having a break. So I think it's a bit strange that they've printed all the signs that say station closed when no one uses the station, because they'll obviously have to replace them once the station opens in a couple of weeks or months time.